Life's locking down the truth with Marci Lock. So this morning, I want to give you a little glimpse of the funness I got to experience. We just put up 9 new of my workouts on my membership site in my Mind Body Breakthrough program. So now there's over 40 workouts that are kick-ass, from 10-minute focused fryouts to more of an intense variations to hitting half the body in like 30 minutes. You literally, when you learn to work out the right way and maximize what you do and work with your body, it is so simple to be super effective and get results crazy fast. So I'm just going to give you a little taste of the funness I got to experience. I got to do my high thigh focus routine, which was just 14 minutes on the floor with bands, totally rocking out high thighs, and do my band resistance cardio workout, which was just 32 minutes, totally getting my cardio and using resistance training around my legs with bands. So here's a little funness just for you. Check it out.
Allowing you to create that strong body of health to show up. You got halfway. 10, I love it. Let's go, inner. So lift the knee, kind of kicking it out and in, so that you're getting that resistance with that high intensity. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, okay. 7, 8, 9, 10, 4, 3. We can finish off. 2. Last one right here. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quick break. You guys you're gonna go, oh, yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, so I felt that real deep right on that inner thigh. Next one, I'm barely turning. I'm still turning out. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yo. Good stuff. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quick break. 4 more of those. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. Get down low in it. Let the butt drop back. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go 10 minis. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Quick breakdown.
Enjoyed the funness and got a little bit of tips there to assist you if you're definitely looking to learn how to turn your body into a fat burn machine, to work with your body so that it becomes easy for the rest of your life. Part of it is the behavioral side, which is what I teach, but there is a reason why you sabotage. There's a reason why you don't allow yourself to create awesomeness in all aspects of your life and even that body of health. And that's that deeper aspect to the mind. So if you're interested in that, then we are starting one more mastermind group. We're just finishing up applications for that. Otherwise, we're booked out a couple months. So if you want to participate in something like, message us or go to mindbody90.com and you can be able to apply and get some more information, and we will be locking it down with you. This is Marci Lock reminding you, power of choice is yours. Choose your best life. Lock it down.